Look at that. Let's apply that on. Hi guys! I'm finally back for another video, and medyo natagalan ako to upload a new video because alam naman natin that we, like majority of us, got impacted by this Omicron wave. So, hindi naman ako nagkaroon ng Omicron, but I got sick I didn't get tested because I got sick for only like 2-3 days lang. So I was very thankful that it only took me 2-3 days. I got the same COVID symptoms like sakit ng ulo, dry throat, a little cough, but I didn't have any fever. Like I was monitoring my temperature the entire time, and I think the max temperature that I had was around 37.8. So, hindi talaga ako nagkaroon ng high fever. But, ang sakit sa katawan, tapos, yun nga, dry cough, dry throat, tapos, sakit ng ulo. Sobra siya. And, mainit yung pakiramdam. So, I was always checking my temperature because ang init ng pakiramdam ko. And it turned out na I didn't have fever naman, which was good. So, I hope that matapos na tong not just the Omicron, but COVID, please go away so that we can have our normal lives back again. So, yeah, that's the reason why. And then I had to recover after 3 days of getting sick. Didn't do anything, just took some rest, and then also I was busy with work, so that's why natagalan. But I'm happy that I get to be with you again by sharing this video, and today I'm going to do a quick glow up look para lang fresh after getting sick and all of that stuff. So I'm using the Rare Beauty Selena's Faves to do that makeup today. I'm sure you have seen this in my previous vlog when I did the unboxing of my Christmas gifts. So, I haven't tried this one yet. And super excited na akong gamitin siya. So, join me in trying out this baby. But before that, you know what to do. Please do not forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't done yet. And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Also, hit that notification bell so that you'll get notified whenever I have new videos like this. Okay, let's start. I've already prepped my skin. I only have 30 minutes today to do this makeup, so very quick lang talaga siya. So this has the mascara, the Luminizer, you have the liquid blush, and the lip cream. So first up, I'm going to use this Nars Concealer, conceal my under eye. Since this is just a quick glow up look, so we're not using any foundation or tinted moisturizer. This is perfect for everyone working from home. If you wanna look pretty and presentable for your Zoom meetings. And then use a setting powder to set the concealer. I have the Laura Mercier. You all know this, a translucent setting powder. This is really good. So I just put some on here and then use a brush to dab that at my forehead, on our T-zone area, and that's where usually the oil would build up. Put the excess on the rest of my face because sayang eh. Laura Mercier, kaya yan, guys. Okay. So after that, we're now going to use this liquid blush, which is super cute. Ayan, super liit lang niya. Just like my finger. So this is in the shade Joy, and according to Selena, this is very airy and lightweight, and it would last you all day. So let's apply that very peachy blush, and let's apply that on, oops, it's super pigmented, guys, so careful when you're putting it on. Ooh, I love that it gives you that healthy flush, right? So this right here compared to this side, so hindi ka na mukhang maputla. This is super cute doe foot applicator. Usually two dots on your face would do on every side, and I think mga one lang because it's super pigmented eh. So we're doing this drunk blush look. I love doing that. Ooh, I love it. It adds a little color to your pale face. Ako pa naman si maputla. So, super cute. And according to the reviews, this really lasts you the entire day. So I'm gonna see if I can like film later today after a couple of hours and see if matatanggal siya or magstay siya for like a couple of hours. Okay, so after using that, I think I want to use it on eyelids. I think this cream can be used not only as a blush, but you can also use this on the lids. So I'm not applying it directly on my eyes or on my cheeks because it's very pigmented, but it's up to you. But you can just blend it afterwards if you wanna like put it directly. So yeah, meron na tayong konting color on the eye. Okay, now let's use this Luminizer, which is, this is in the shade Joy, and it also has the same packaging as the liquid blush. There, super cute. I love this little handle on top, and this one should give you a dewy glow. So let's try that over here, and then also using my fingers to look at that. Look at that glow. Love it. I always love highlighters. See that glow, baby glow. So let's also use that here. Okay. Medyo madami. Okay, this one is pigmented nga pala. So, Be careful. Medyo napadami siya. Love it. Okay, now let's try this mascara, which I haven't opened yet. This one now has a universal formula, which is designed to define, lengthen, curl, and volumize your lashes. I love its minimalist look. So I'm just gonna curl my lashes real quick. So I would count 1 to 40 every side. So let's see. It should volumize now and lengthen your lashes. So that's the applicator. I was expecting like a small one, pero malaki siya. Okay, see the big difference? This is with the lashes, with the mascara, and this one is without. So it definitely adds volume. It lengthens. Yep, I love it. So it doesn't say it's smudge proof, so let's also try that and see after a couple of hours. Okay, now we're down to the last product, and this is called the Hydrating Mini Lip Souffle Lip Cream. Ooh, I like it. I like the term. So this is in the shade Inspire, and this is also long-lasting liquid lipstick, and it is also lightweight. That's kind of like a bright red shade. And now let's try it on. It is very creamy and smells good. Smells like a dessert. Parang souffle nga siya. But yeah, parang vanilla. I don't know. Yeah, parang dessert talaga siya, parang cake yung smell niya. It's very bright red, but I love it. Now I know why Selena loves these for products of rare beauty. And just by using all these 4 items will already give you that glow up look. Very quick, very easy, multifunctional products. Love the formula, and I love the packaging as well. So now what we're gonna do is see if they're really long lasting. So I'm just gonna quickly run and attend my meeting, and then have my lunch, and then we'll see for a couple of hours if these makeup products will really stay on, just like what they promise. Okay, so I hope you like this video. Again, Happy New Year to everyone. Stay safe, stay at home, wash your hands, get vaccinated, and again, like this video and subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed yet. I'll see you in a bit. Thank you so much for watching. Bye! Hey guys, quick update. It's almost 5 hours since I've put on this makeup, and surprisingly I already ate, and as you can see, the lip cream that I use, nag-iwan siya ng stain on my lips. So technically it's still there, and it's really long lasting, and as well as the blush, the liquid blush. you can still see that it's on there. It's still visible. And I was also surprised, but I love the mascara. It didn't smudge, it didn't budge. And I didn't show you, but naglagay ako ng mascara sa lower lashes and it's good. It doesn't transfer. Walang any marks of smudging. So, I think their promise of a really good quality makeup and long lasting, that's really true. And there. Love it.